bottle is not enough to sustain the dehydration you are feeling. Small action made you sweat so much. This is because of global warming. I am Marian Coyoca, first year student of Bachelor of Technological Vocational Education, major in Electronics Technology. So, what is global warming? According to the National Defense Council, global warming occurs when the carbon dioxide and other air pollutants collect the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and the sun radiation that halfway bounce off the Earth's surface. Normally, this radiation would escape into space. But this pollutant, which can last for years and centuries in the atmosphere, trap the heat and cause the planet get hotter. This heat-trapping pollutant is physically carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor, and synthetic fluorinated gases are known as greenhouse gases, and other impact is called greenhouse effect. Global warming is just one of the aspects of the climate change. USGS explained that the difference between global warming and climate change. Global warming refers to the rise in the global temperature, mainly to the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases. Climate change refers to the increasing changes in the measure of climate over a long time period, including precipitation, temperature, and the wind patterns. What cause of the global warming? It is us, the human beings' activities. Some of these are burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and farming. When the wild burn fossil fuels like coal and gas to create electricity or power of our cars, we release carbon dioxide pollution in the atmosphere. Also, deforestation, trees and plants plays the important role of our environment. They absorb carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen back too. And agriculture and farming. Animals produce methane, which is the greenhouse gas. What are the effects of a global warming? Global warming is a serious issue which affects in a different aspect in our life. So that this cannot be stopped, we should be ready for its consequences. One of these is disruption of the habitats, which could lead to extinction of some species. Another is glacial retreat, which also affect of the global warming. Ice melts, causing the drop to take place. As ice melts, sea level rise, and its rising sea level continues, make coastal areas where half of the human lives will be inhabited. Global warming disease. Yes, health of human beings is at risk. Yes, global warming doesn't only affect in the environmental but also in our health. Allergies, asthma, and infectious disease. Outbreaks will become more common due to the increase of growth of pollen-producing rag with higher levels of air pollution, and the spread of the pollution favorable to the pathogen and mosquitoes. How to stop the global warming? To stop global warming, let's keep on thinking. Think what is the best to do. And what is the best to do? Let me share you these 5 things to stop the global warming. First, do the basic. Let us start with the basic. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Why? Because it will enable us to do other things. And honestly, though it is the basic, people can manage to do it. Let us continue doing this. Reduce usage plastic. Plastic isn't biodegradable. It is cause of tons of waste, which is one of cause of pollution. And also, reduce water waste. Saving water reduces carbon pollution. Reusing this thing is a very smart way too. Save the earth and recycle. Don't be lazy. Be innovative. Recycling is the easiest way to help prevent global warming. Second, alter your ways of transportation. As much as possible, walk or try cycling. Furthermore, public transportation is also an excellent choice in terms of being environmentally responsible and reducing your own carbon footprint. Third, use renewable energy. The first way to prevent climate change or global warming is to move away from fossil fuels. What are the alternatives? Renewable energies like solar, wind, biomass, and geothermal. Fourth, what can you eat? Don't waste food. Pig piles of rotting food at the local dump produce methane, a greenhouse gas, and this obviously is no good. So eat what you can eat. Lastly, be informed and informed. The more you know, the less you will contribute to the global problem. Social media platforms are now full of news regarding the global problem. To engage yourself in information, dissemination, be informed so that you are able to inform others. And many global problems that the world is facing nowadays. Be part of the solution. Be one of the some people who are moving to solve this environmental problem. Again, I am Mariel Kuyoka saying, spread the awareness and let the earth